Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to reset your password in Roblox. So there are a few ways on how to reset your Roblox account or your password if ever you have forgotten your email or your phone number. So just in case you forgot your password, you just have to enter your username first or your email address and then click this forgot password below here. You will see option here, and what you want to do is to select if you want to reset your Roblox password using your phone numbers. You can tap this use phone number to reset password, or you can also enter email address to reset your password. So for example, I chose this phone number here, so I just have to tap my country and then enter my phone number and then click continue. Now what you want to do next is to wait for this verification code. So after I tap or after I receive this code from my phone number and then type it right here, all I have to do next is to click verify and then I can change my password here on Roblox. Now here's the thing, if you forgot your email address or username too, then I recommend that you go to any web browser and then type Roblox contact form, okay, or support Roblox, and then you will see this page. And you could also go to your help in case you have your other account in Roblox and you want to reset the password of your other Roblox account. All you have to do is to go to this page, go to Roblox account, and then click this I forget password. Once you tap this one, you will see an option here. It says I forget my password. Tap this one here and then scroll down till you see the option below that says contact form. Okay, so once you see that, what you want to do is to simply enter some information. Okay, so we have here customer support. So in case you forgot your email or phone number, so they can't reset your password, all you have to do is to simply go to customer support and the customer service team will do that. So enter contact information here, and then for issue of details, what device are you having? Click PC, type of category, I can't log in, I can't log in, subcategory, forget password, and then for description, you can tell them to please help me. I forgot my username or I forgot my password and I can't log into my account. So please help me to reset my password. Click submit and then wait for the customer service team to respond to this issue. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.